Alright, this is a microphone test of the Plantronics gamecom 780. I'm currently recording this using Camtasia Studio 7, which you kinda can't see because I'm actually recording my screen in 1920 by 1080. And this is just a quick overview to see what the microphone levels look like using Audacity, and let's also check the audio microphone levels in Windows 8. Now, the Gamecom 780 does not natively work with Windows 8. Well, I mean it does, but you have to install the drivers in order to achieve 5.1 or 7.1 sounds in order to utilize the headset properly. Now, when I first plugged this microphone into my computer, it had no problems detecting the headset, and it worked right out of the box without any issues. The only time you actually really need to install the drivers is if you are trying to achieve the 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound. Anyway. The microphone is set at 97. I'm going to go ahead and decrease the volume just to show you what it looks like in Audacity. So I just decreased it to 78, and as you can see right there, you can see that the volume's dropped significantly. I'm going to drop this down to 50. Now it seems that I don't even see any peaking whatsoever, so I'm going to increase this back to 97, which it seems that 97 seems to be the sweet spot for the microphone. If I increase this to 100, yes, I get much ideal range for where the volume should be. This is typically where the microphone should be, or the audio quality should be. It should fall in the range of 0.5 and minus 0.5. However, if you listen, you'll notice that there is a hiss. So go ahead and right now turn up the volume on your speakers, on your home speakers, and just listen to this audio as I'm talking right now. You should notice that there is some hiss in the background, and you actually might pick up ambient noise in with the microphone. So for instance, I just picked up a piece of paper and now I am just flapping it back and forth. Currently grabbing a napkin. Flashlight. This is the sound of my mouse. What else can I do? This is me breathing into the microphone. Actually, that's exaggerated, so this will be normal. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and reduce the volume for the microphone back down to 97, which is sort of my sweet spot. And I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to go ahead and check out the speakers, because when I actually first picked up the headset, I noticed that there was a balance issue between the left ear cup and the right ear cup. And so what happens is that currently the left ear cup seems to be weaker in terms of the audio balance instead of the right ear cup. So as you can see, there is a setting in Windows 8 which you can control the balance so that when you create a ratio of 2:1 so that the sound sounds balanced coming from the left and the right, it maintains that balance throughout. So at maximum 100% volume, the left ear cup peaks first while the right cup stays at 53. Thereby maintaining that audio balance so that you don't have unequal audio quality. So anyway, I'm going to bring that back down to about 24. And also what I noticed is that when I first picked up the headset and installed it, the audio levels in Windows 8 were ridiculously loud, meaning that when I had set the volume to 2, then the speakers inside the ear cup or the headset were very, very loud, and so pretty much you could only use it at 2 and 4. Anything beyond 4 and your ears started to hurt because it was really loud. Now after installing the drivers, it fixed that issue, so now it sounds normal. And what else can I say? Let's go ahead and talk about some of the images I just found. This is just found through Google. So this is the Gamecom 780. Again, you have tilty swivel headsets, you have plush the top ear cover, and also the headsets extend by pulling down the ear cups, and then they slide along this metal rail. They don't come out from here. One of the downsides of this headset is that the microphone doesn't come fully out to in front of your mouth. Let me see if I can find that. Okay, so in this example, or in this picture, you can see that, notice that the microphone is about 3 or 4 inches from this model's face, this said gamer's face. And what I did was I actually bent the microphone here so that it brings the microphone right about here. Now it doesn't bend all the way to your face, so you can't get it close to your body as possible, but you can bend it to about right here, so it's about an inch away. Yeah, about an inch and away from my mouth. So this is the audio sample for the Gamecom 780. I hope this helps, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching.